Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is unique and creative, and I am making this video onto your massive request. Most of my YouTube friends and family members were saying that please do share very beautiful, unique and stylish handmade designer style hand embroidery bed sheets, hand embroidery bed sets, hand embroidered pillow design ideas. So this video is in the continuation of your requests which you were continuously making to me, friends. This video contains heavily paid designer style handwork design ideas of hand embroidered, handmade thread work bed sheets and pillow covers. So do follow these patterns and you can make your bedrooms, drawing rooms, your guest rooms, your kids rooms, your living rooms look absolutely fine, creative and beautiful. And you don't have to pay a lot of money for taking handmade or buying or purchasing handmade unique masterpieces of hand embroidered bed sheets. Only follow these patterns and make your bed sheets by your own. So decor your home according to your choices and let us know what you feel about this video and how you find our today's designs very useful and creative. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Meet you back with my new upcoming content. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know about your preferences of choices. Massively share with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a remarkable and a larger number of YouTube friends and family members.